We are talking about our sister here who saw TB Joshua naked. You saw TB Joshua naked, right?
Do you believe this guy, Prof X? This guy is a fraud. He was say that the member of Makandiwa, Prophet Makandiwa, is a liar. It can be happening to him. What is this person prophesying about what going to happen to him? But many days he has been afraid and anxious because in the back of his mind it could happen because the prophecy would happen to him. So this guy is fraud. He's just pretending to be the exposer of wrong.